How to change shipping address in Macy's account. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to change your shipping address in your Macy's account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Macy's website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Macy's dashboard, you can just click your profile right here on the top right corner, and you can just click my account. And right here on your my account, just scroll down until you find the profile. And then when you click the profile right there, you can change your address. So if I click it, so this page will appear, and right here on the bottom part it says addresses. So right now I don't have any shipping addresses, so I can just add my first shipping address. And if you create an address, you can just find your address there and you can edit them. But me, I don't have any address, so I'm just going to add my first shipping address. So I'm going to input all of my personal details, and yeah, my location that is based on my chosen region. So make sure that you chose your right region when creating your account, so that you avoid getting problems when adding your shipping address. So for example, like me, I having a problem because my chosen region does not meet the address that I input in my shipping address. So yeah, that's it. So after getting your shipping address, you can just click save, and it will automatically be saved in your shipping address. And if you want to make changes, you can just click your address again right here on the list, and you can edit them. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can change shipping address in your Macy's account. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.